Palm oil, it's something we hear about a lot these days, but did you know it has very different uses around the world? In many places, palm oil is used in industrial settings. It's a powerful ingredient for cleaning engines and machinery. But here's the catch. This very same oil is often used in cooking, especially in some Asian countries like India. This is where things get tricky. What's good for cleaning a greasy engine isn't necessarily good for our bodies. We need to start asking questions about what we're putting into our food and where it comes from. It's important to understand the journey of this versatile oil. How can something used to break down tough grease also end up in our food? And more importantly, what does this mean for our health? Palm oil is very effective at cleaning engines. It's really good at breaking down grease and grime. Mechanics often use it to clean engine parts and tools. Palm oil is also used in other industries like manufacturing. It's a versatile ingredient that has many uses. But when it comes to our food, we need to be more careful. In India, palm oil is a common sight in kitchens. It's used in everything from curries to fried snacks. Many people use it because it's cheap and readily available. Traditional Indian cooking uses healthier oils like ghee and mustard oil, but over time, palm oil has become a cheaper alternative. This shift towards palm oil raises concerns about the long-term health impacts on communities. Palm oil is high in saturated fat. Consuming too much saturated fat can be bad for our hearts. It can lead to health problems like high cholesterol and heart disease. We need to be aware of the amount of palm oil we consume. Reading food labels and making informed choices is crucial. Choosing healthier oils for cooking is a simple step towards protecting our health.